Hey, what's up? It's Ethan from Pilipinas, and today we are looking at our all-new Realme Narzo 20, Realme's latest and first ever Narzo phone in the Philippines. Let's find out kung solid nga ito. Inside the box, andito si Realme Narzo 20. May 18 watts charger na may kasamang USB Type-C cable. At mayroon din kasamang SIM card ejector at ang kanyang warranty card. The Narzo 20 is 164.5 by 75.9 and 9.8 millimeters in size and weighs in 208 grams. It has a 6.5-inch IPS mini drop full-screen display, a 20 by 9 aspect ratio, has a brightness of 560 nits, and on the display is a 8 megapixel camera. On the inside, Realme Narzo 20 ay may MediaTek Helio G85 processor. It has a large 6,000 mAh battery na kayang 18 watts fast charging at kaya din ang reverse charging. On the back, it has a 48 megapixel main lens with an aperture of 1.8, a 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2 megapixel macro camera, and a LED flash. Realme Narzo 20 is priced at 7,990 pesos with a 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage. Available na siya ngayong November 11 exclusive in Lazada. Available in Glory Silver at Victory Blue. Guys, nasa comment section yung link kung gusto nyo ma-avail si Realme Narzo 20. Ano sa tingin nyo? Sulit nga ba si Realme Narzo 20? Comment down below. And that's it for our quick review. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.